Hello. All right. I am your student's either period 1 or period 2 biology teacher. I'm Mrs. Bates. Um, the gist of our class is basically everything that they need is in Google Classroom. Even things that we put into their biology notebooks that stay in class are in here. So if they're absent, they can still work on it. The exception to that is kind of our labs. Those have to be done in class. So if they were absent or if they didn't join my class until after, because I know we've had a few people who are new to the class in the last week or two, then that's fine. This first one especially, I'm not too worried about. It was more to get them used to the scientific method. And so now we're still going to be using it and talking about it, and enough people in class kind of have it that they'll be fine. If you have questions, the syllabus is also the very, very first thing, which means it's all the way at the bottom of our Google Classroom. This can be printed and signed if it's still missing in the gradebook, but it's always here so that you can reference it as well. This first welcome section was basically like the first week of school. Then, since then, we've been kind of working on this getting ready so that for the rest of the year they have a good foundation. Then we did our lab, and now we're working on a CER, which will also finish out our lab. And then we are still going to be doing a little bit of graphing early next week, which actually, depending on when you watch this, might be after we've done that. And then we're going to be getting into our actual biology stuff. They do also have a table of contents up here so you can see like a quick summary of kind of where we've been in our notebooks. And anything that has a page number with it, so like our bio lab at the end, of course, you can't totally see it, but then it has pages 10 through 17 because our lab took up those 8 pages in the notebook. Anything that we have that is in the biology notebook will be with page numbers as well. So, page 18, page 7, page 6, page 5, that's in Google Classroom. So if it has a page number, that's part of the biology notebook that stays in class. Any questions that you have, please feel free to email me. My email is shannon.bates@oside.us. You can also find it in Aries. I believe it's linked in there if you click on my name or something like that. I'm not sure how it is from the parent end. Or you can, I believe, find it through that new OSIDE app. It'll have my email address on there as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I would be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much.